folks. We are at Busworld Europe 2019 at Brussels. We are with Iveco's brand leader, Mr. Stefan. We would like to have a short interaction with him on Iveco's presence here at the expo and Iveco's business across the world. So thank you, sir. Thanks for giving us the time.
It's my pleasure.
Right. So tell us about your presence here. How significant is this expo for the Iveco?
For Iveco Bus, it's a very important event because we are a second strong leader in Europe, and we are very well positioned as well abroad in different parts of the world. Not yet present in India, but we have a worldwide spread anyway. Today we present in Brussels some novelties, like just behind this vehicle we have the Iveco Bus E-Way, which is a full electric 18-meter with opportunity charging. We have as well on this this side the trolleybus in motion charging urban way, and in that version it's a BRT version with the Crealis, and this is a trolley with some batteries, because like that you can save some time during the charging phase, and then you can go also with the battery operation downtown without any ropes. So this is a new generation of trolleybuses. Then you will find the full range of CNG products, because we have minibuses, urban buses, and then coach as well running with CNG, and you will find the touristic versions.
How good your response from your target customer for your presence here?
Yes, so for Iveco, here the presence is really welcome by the profession, meaning all journalists. We have just received, for instance, for our Crossway Natural Power, the premium of Sustainable Bus of the Year. This is for 3 years in a row, and this comes on top of the premium of Sustainable Company, recognized as the New York Stock Exchange. So really the recognition from the profession is very important for us. But more than over, for instance, if we take the Crossway family here, it's a long success story. We have more than 40,000 units on the road. And if we speak about CNG, we have more than 7,000 units on the road. So when we combine the two, we really have today the best product offering to move forward energy transition.
And since you have a wide variety of products,
Yes.
so which are the major segments or major technology products that you're looking forward in the next 5 years in Europe?
So today we are ready for the next 5 years in reality, because we have all natural power drive lines, including biomethane. So you can have bio-CNG, renewable gas used in these vehicles. We are ready for electromobility. We have the last generation of diesel engine with the best technology answering to Euro 6, and even, of course, when it will come into force with the new Euro 6 Step E version, with no EGR from the beginning. So already we had from the new regulation Euro 6 the best, and even at the time of Euro 4, the best strategy as well on diesel. So we have electromobility, gas, and even diesel for those that remain diesel at very high level. Of course, as well on the diesel engine, accepting renewable biodiesel, HVO, GTL, BTL. So today we are ready for the next 5 years. What will come after? For sure, one day will come hydrogen. We are already working on it, but we will put it into our lineup when it will be necessary. We don't see it as business sustainable. Today there is a lot of subsidy on hydrogen. Tomorrow, when it will be a real alternative for the industry, we will be ready on time, no doubt. So today we are one of the leading manufacturers able to have the widest offer in all this energy transition.
And all these alternative powertrain technologies,
Yes.
including electric,
Yes.
battery electric technology, these are all developed by in-house at your Iveco group, or you have any partners associated?
Yes, so we develop in-house, but of course with some partnership. Regarding the diesel, it's in-house with our internal, let's say, colleagues from Fiat Powertrain. We have also here some best-in-class technology engines shown on the booth. So we have for gas and for diesel the same, the best technology in-house with our colleagues from Fiat Powertrain, FPT. Then on the, of course, the electromobility, we have partnered and integrate. So we have in-house all the integration phase, for instance, with Skoda on the trolleybuses. So Skoda transportation system is helping us to work on the new generation of trolleybuses. And then regarding the electromobility itself with overnight charging and opportunity charging, we are working with partners like BAE. Tomorrow could be also other partners, and the same on batteries. We are working with Forsee Power, which is one of the most advanced suppliers, but tomorrow we might also enlarge the base of suppliers for battery.
And as far as your brand is concerned, which are the major global markets that you are already catering to and that you're planning to enter in the next 5 years?
Yes, so we are very present today, of course, in Europe, which is our base, where we deliver more than 8,500 units regularly every year. So this is our base and our core market. Then we are also having some very good base in South America. We are able to grab around 5% of the local market with the minibuses activity mainly, of course, and then some chassis activity. We have them some dedicated R&D team plus a factory in Brazil. We have also a very good operation in Argentina, and we are extending to all the peripheral countries up to Peru, Costa Rica, and all the Central America. Then we are also very present in some area in Africa, in Far East, and some spot areas as well in Asia, not yet in India. Our vision is that we are going to develop some steady activities, go further in South America, and continue to grab as much as we can some spot important activities that could be by market, by product in yes, Asia in general, let's say.
So does that mean that your strategy for Asian markets is
It's-
a little later?
Today we don't have yet the product lineup to really go massively. But for instance, if there is a good opportunity with electromobility, a project in one city where we are going to be able to compete with our products, we could be ready to go. Today we have best-in-class vehicles for Euro 6 countries. Today it's not exactly the case in some areas. If we take this range that we are spreading in Europe, it is left-hand drive vehicles with Euro 6, so this limits the access to this country, so we need to find new strategies, and this is what we are building now in Iveco Bus.
So probably in the next 5 years or a decade, what sort of technological and market, say business model developments that you may find in bus industry?
We will go more and more to service, and this is what we do at Iveco Bus, because the product, as we see it today, is a skeleton. Now, what matters for the business is what we will be to put around as a service, and we have already very advanced digital connected vehicles with control room. We are proposing as well to have a fleet management system. So all this is already integrated on top of the usual financing, trading of pre-owned vehicle, used vehicle. So now we are moving forward with a lot of package services to really have the best service with the vehicle uptime on the road.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.